Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to clarify whether this node modules folder has to be added to Git repository while pushing the existing code. So the straight away answer for this question is node modules folder is not necessary, but still if you want to add this node modules folder, you can always add this folder to repository when you are pushing the code to GitHub. But the reason why this is not necessary is first point, this is very larger in size. It is not necessary. Second point, when we share this repository with our colleagues, they will pull the code and they will start running this code. While running, this node modules folder will be automatically created. So I will show you how. We have a node server. We have a basic hello world node server project here in this screen. We have node modules folder also, but this code in the GitHub server does not have node modules folder because I have added this node modules folder to git ignore file. So while pushing, the git will ignore this node modules folder. So only code is there in this server. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to delete all these files here. We will also delete the folder. Now we will just clone. I have the link as well. We'll just clone the source code from the git server that does not have this node modules folder. Now the project is cloned again. Node server. So we have got the project, and you can notice that node modules folder is not here. So how I will get back the node modules folder and run the project successfully when I get a project from a repository from other person, because they have not pushed the node modules folder. So npm install command will install all the necessary dependencies that are mentioned in this package.json file. So running this npm install command will install the dependencies inside this node modules folder, and hence node modules folder will be automatically created when we pull the code and when we run this command npm install. You can notice that a node modules folder is created. So now when we run this code, the code will run without any error or something. So this is the explanation behind why we does not need to push this node modules folder along with the code while pushing the code to GitHub. So hope this video is informative. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.